Manipur recorded one COVID-19 case in the current surge of COVID in the country. As per latest data released by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's COVID-19 tally reached 6,815 cases with 324 fresh cases in the last 24 hours and 3 deaths, one each in Delhi, Kerala and Jharkhand. Kerala continues to be the most affected state with active cases tally reaching 2,053 early today morning. On the other hand, Gujarat has 1,109 COVID-19 cases and West Bengal has 747 cases. A total of 68 deaths have been reported due to COVID-19 since January 2025. Meanwhile, according to data from Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium, 163 cases of the new COVID variant XFG have recently been detected across India. Remember viewers, XFG variant is a descendant of the Omicron subvariant. However, there is no evidence that XFG can cause severe illness. Like most Omicron subvariants, it appears to be associated with mild upper respiratory symptoms.